If you are starting with C2000 microcontrollers, the hardest part is not writing code, it's understanding the environment. You open Code Composer Studio, you see dozens of windows, projects, linker files, build configurations, debug settings, and suddenly everything feels overwhelming. This course fixes that. This is a focused foundation course built around two things: the TI F2837090 LaunchPad and the Code Composer Studio Classic version. It is not a full motor control course, it is not advanced firmware architecture. It is the structured starting point most beginners never get. By the end, you will install and configure Code Composer Studio correctly, understand how a C2000 project is structured, build and debug code confidently, and run real code on physical hardware. We use the classic Code Composer Studio interface intentionally. Most C2000 reference designs, documentations, and legacy industrial projects are built around this workflow. When you search for help, the structure will match. When you open a TI example project, it will feel familiar. That consistency matters, especially at the beginning. Once you understand this environment, moving forward becomes easy. The F28379D is not a hobby board. It belongs to Texas Instruments C2000 family, designed specifically for real-time control. This is the type of processor used inside industrial motors, solar inverters, power electronic systems. Learn how to set it up properly from day one builds a strong foundation for everything that follows. In just two structured chapters, you will understand the hardware architecture, install and configure the full tool chain, create and examine a project from scratch, understand the linker command file, write basic embedded C, use the debugger properly, not just click buttons, but understand what each step is doing. This course is your orientation into professional C2000 development. Clear, structured, practical. No shortcuts, no confusion. If you are serious about learning embedded systems the right way, this is where you begin.